Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! As we dive into the realm of ever-evolving technology, there's a seismic shift happening on the modern battlefield. It's a landscape gradually seeing fewer boots on the ground and more dominance by remote vehicles capable of significant impact, all without risking human lives. One such game changer, the UK's Royal Air Force proudly pioneered the incredible uncrewed aerial vehicle known as the Jackal. Its emergence signifies a pivotal moment, hinting at a future where warfare takes an unprecedented turn. Today, on Tech Bros, we're delving deep into this cutting-edge technology, uncovering its workings, and exploring how it could reshape the fabric of 21st century warfare. Let's soar into the skies of innovation and unravel the mechanics behind this revolutionary vehicle. Drone developed by FlyBy technology. The groundbreaking UAV, known as the Jackal, is the brainchild of FlyBy Technology, a leading UK-based provider specializing in unmanned aerial vehicle training. Collaborating with Turkish partners FlyBVO's technology and aviation component manufacturer Maxwell Innovations, they engineered the Jackal to be a versatile force capable of executing various combat missions across land, sea, and air. These missions encompass interdiction on the battlefield, close air support, engaging enemy helicopters and tanks, logistics delivery, and obstructing enemy access to critical infrastructure, all managed remotely to minimize the risk to human lives. Research and development journey. The genesis of the Jackal traces back to the R&D efforts initiated at Drone Park within GY Technology University Technopark in Turkey at the onset of 2022. The catalyst for this innovation stemmed from Russia's incursion into Ukraine. Promptly responding to the need for such a vehicle, the UK Royal Air Force Rapid Capabilities Office reached out to FlyBy, the experts in drone technology, in April of the same year. The Jackal's maiden flight showcased its remarkable endurance, staying airborne for 40 minutes during its demonstration for the Turkish Armed Forces in Ankara. Following this success, FlyBV Technology transferred the design and licensing to the UK, coinciding with FlyX Technology, a division of FlyBV, commencing work on a version of the vehicle at the UK Ministry of Defence's behest. Collaborations with multinational defense company THS aim to explore the potential of equipping the Jackal with lightweight multi-role missiles as part of its development. Jackal's test flights, precision testing, and stability check. Alright, let's talk about the Jackal's test runs. This thing's got some serious credentials. So in its debut in England toward the end of 2022, this new Dub CA model fired off its first missile. But here's where it gets even cooler. Later on, during a trial with the RAF in the following spring, it nailed another Thales missile. What's the big deal, you ask? Well, these tests prove something epic: the missile's low recoil. That's a game changer because it means this drone can stock rock solid stable, unlike soldiers handling shoulder-fired weapons or janky helicopters near enemy lines. Safety first, right? Unveiling the Jackal's arsenal. Now let's talk about the Jackal's capabilities. We're talking about a multi-role attack whiz. It can fire off multiple missiles, has a 5-meter wingspan, and can carry up to 15 kilograms. And guess what? It can zoom up to 130 kilometers and fly high at a whopping 4,000 meters. But wait, there's more. This bad boy can launch and support missiles cooked up by Thales, making it a modern weapons powerhouse. And here's the kicker: it's like a Lego set for gadgets. Yep, the Jackal's got this plug-and-play system, meaning it can switch gear between missions. Versatility at its finest. Plus, it's got some tag team action with the Starstreak short-range missile and LMM munitions. Talk about a diverse arsenal, right? Jackal's navigation and global buzz. Now here's what makes it a rock star. Its brain power. Advanced software and sensors make this drone a top-notch navigator, perfect for military recon and surveillance ops. But here's what's really cool. It's affordable tech. It brings serious air combat skills to countries that usually can't swing attack helicopters or fighter jets. No wonder Ukraine, Iraq, and Taiwan are all buzzing about it. Taiwan's even put in an order for 160 units. That's some serious interest brewing. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. We hope you had a blast discovering all the incredible updates about the Jackal. Which feature got you pumped up the most? Let us know down in the comments section. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay updated with more awesome stuff coming your way. See you in the next video. Thanks again for watching.